Yo everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing the next part of a inbox review. So this one's going to be around about 10 minutes. It won't be like my mini. Although at the end of this video there is a poll I'm going to be talking about, so make sure you stay tuned for that. There's a poll and it's also at the very end. So I mean you can vote now by clicking on the eye. Or you can wait till the end of the video. It's entirely up to you. Probably make more sense if you stay and listen. But anyway, the inbox review. I did do this the other day, and it went completely wrong. Sorry about that. That's my camera just falling. I will sort that out in just 1 minute. So yeah, you can see the box art's quite nice. This is my new tripod setup. I did have it to the side. For the previous video, it didn't go down very well, so the side will be for the tutorials, and this will be the one for my next couple of videos. As my next couple of videos are, I'm not even going to say what they are. Yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So the box art down there, I love this camera. That's where is it? This Tamiya thing, I've just moved out the camera, is the glue I use. This is the tape I use for those kits. It's quite handy. It's about £3. So anyway, the box art, lovely, absolutely bloody gorgeous. Like always, the box art is. That is probably going to be the picture. Although I hope you like this new thumbnail design, which obviously you have to click on to go on the video. That's what it's going to be like on my channel now. The writing, little picture and my logo. So yeah, I hope you like it. If not, I can always change it back. Anyway, this is obviously, as you can see, prototype. I've not actually got my light on. It is so sunny where I live. It actually don't need any light. Yeah. But anyway, I really want to get started, so let's not dwell anymore and let's get started. So you've seen the inbox. Let's have a look at the instructions. I think the instructions are pretty easy, pretty simple. Nothing to be confused. Let's go. There's 4 versions, A, B, C, and D. The only difference between those two is the nose. Those two is a ski plane, and that one's a float plane. Let me see if I can bring it a little closer so you can see. You can see. Sorry about that, my tripod nearly fell over. If it falls over, I'll refilm my face, which I've done on my other channel. So I don't really mind. But like I said, there's no point me doing like vlogs or anything, because it's not a vlogging channel. But anyway, that's completely off topic. So yeah, it's assembly of cockpit and assembly of the windows, which that's going to take a while. Oh, bollocks. Well, it says version D, I'm not going to do, I'll cross them out. So yeah, I'm doing version B, so that one, so I don't need that. So yeah, as you can see there's I've only just noticed that one actually. Oh wait, no, never mind. Yeah, no, never mind. The next one is assembly of the wings, engines, more engine, landing gear. It's just off camera, but I knew that was coming. Sorry about that. The actual kit, that. You got the wings and that. Sorry about that, guys. It's a fucking pain. Didn't mean to happen. It just happens. So most of that on that page I don't actually need to do. I only need to do that step, and that step. And the rest of it I don't need to do, because the rest of it's building the seaplane, which I'm not actually going to be doing. Although I might build it for a diorama. I might get another one. The Canadian, and then you've got the passenger. I'm probably going to go Canadian, but this one without the float, so where the float detail is, I'm not going to put. Anyway, that's the instructions. That's those over and done. Now, let's go Decals. Get the Decals out. Decals really nice. Which you can see, that's what I mean. It's a passenger plane. Where's my hand? Passenger plane or the Canadian Air Force. I quite like the Canadian Air Force. I might actually have the Canadian Air Force recovery because I actually haven't got any Canadian Air Force aircraft. I've only got British, German, and that's it on my channel. So I'm going to try and vary them. That's the clear parts, cockpit and windows. The main kit, it's that big. So it's decently big. Just about fit on camera actually. Yeah, you could see the different nose. That's the cockpit all assembly. That's some other bits and pieces. That's the larger nose there. That's the larger nose. That's the tail. As you can see, there's quite a bit of detail, which is quite nice. I ain't gonna lie. I like kits with detail. That's why I like Revell, because it has the detail. Tamiya is better for detail, actually, to be honest. Airfix, they don't really do detail, but they're good for realistic. Although the large kits have a lot of detail. Look at my Spitfire now, actually. Has quite a fair bit of detail. The larger the kit, the more detail they can fit on it. And clearer it is. So yeah, that's all just wings there. Wings in the little engine thingies, intakes, coolers, whatever they're called, I don't know. That's that sprue. The last sprue, and then this is the end of the video. The propellers. I don't actually know what that is. That might be the cockpit. I'm not sure. I don't know. Wheels. You can see this. See what I mean about the detailing. Wheels. That, and that I don't need. So pretty much from there that way, I don't need. Don't know what that big square panel is. I think that might be one of the bulkhead doors. Or one of the thingies that goes in the cockpit. Oh, not the cockpit. Actually, yeah, it might be the cockpit. I don't know, but that is it for this video. Anyway, like I said about the poll, it is popped up right now. You can click on that to vote yes or no for what I'm about to say. I'm thinking I'll text one of my mates who's a very fellow YouTuber. His name is Hazerblast. He had a channel, but he doesn't anymore. But I thought I'd give him a shout out anyway. He had a channel, but it had to get deleted because of he'd done videos at school without the school's permission, and he portrayed the school in a bad way, so his channel had to get terminated. Which is a bummer, really, because I quite liked a lot of people that quite liked his videos. But anyway, that's a shout out. He wanted me to do that, but that's not what I actually stay tuned for. As you can see, if you've already clicked on the eye for the poll. The poll is obviously, as you can see, do you want me to put a fan group? Yes or no? Now, a fan group would only be on Facebook and Instagram, because they're the only two I go on. I do have Snapchat, but Snapchat I don't really know what I could do, because Snapchat's more of a thing. I don't really use Snapchat, so I don't even know. All I know is you take a shit ton of pictures, a bit like Instagram. So yeah, I might create a fan group, which means you can give me video suggestion ideas, you can help me with channel arts, you can help grow the channel, you'll also get notified before the video goes out, like what time it's going out, and a few other bits. Obviously, I'm planning on making a membership website, like a website for members. Like, just so it can be like, you pay like what, £2 for like maybe £1 a month, for like immediate entries to giveaways and a lot of other stuff. I'll talk about that in a separate video. Anyway, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did like this video and you want to see more model content, then please hit that like button, the subscribe, and the little bell next to it, please. It will mean the absolute world to me. And also comment and share the video, because I will give you a shout out if it says you've subscribed, if you've got your subscribers on. So yeah, you'll get an immediate shout out if you subscribe to the channel. As long as I know you've subscribed to the channel. Anyway, that is it for this video. Until next time, bye.